Guys, kita menuju air terjun Kembar. Ada Jepri, Denny, Masno, Bang Hen.
I stopped smoking weed a year ago. Maybe I'm less cool now, I don't know. But I talk to pretty girls now instead of sitting there all stoned. I stopped smoking weed a year ago. And I stopped drinking Hennessy all night. I thought it made my fans think I was tired.
Too challenging so far.
I'm still up in that nightclub on way too many nights. But I stopped drinking Hennessy all night. See, I've been running from my past, but my future's just too fast. He don't stop for no one, that's no lie. So dear Lord, won't you please give me wisdom, grant me peace. Cause I just wanna live before I girls back home. Even though I spend my nights alone, I button up that shirt and spray on that cologne. Yeah, I stopped thinking about the girls back home. See, I've been running from